Alright, let's consider another question under Laplace inverse. So we're gonna consider like, let's say, three more questions. So after these two more questions, so it's something you cannot solve finish. You get something you cannot solve finish. So just depends on how much you understand partial fraction. The more you understand partial fraction and the more you solve, the more you understand. So it's not something you can actually solve finish. There are plenty examples under that. So consider this question. They say determine, given the Laplace of function of t, right? 9s over 8 divided by s squared minus 2s. So in short, what they're asking you to determine directly is what? Is the Laplace inverse of the function of what? Function of t. So how do you determine the Laplace inverse of this? So just have, okay, let me do it like this. Alright, so this is the same thing as what? The Laplace f of t is same thing as saying Laplace inverse of 9s minus 8 over s squared minus 2s. You understand how it becomes Laplace. So from Laplace of f of t, since we are looking for the Laplace inverse, just make the Laplace of the formula, so it's going to be inverse like that. So how do you now solve this? I can say the Laplace inverse of 9s over 8 divided by this s squared minus 2s. I can factorize. And bring something out, like it can be s open bracket s minus 2. You can factorize out this denominator s open bracket s minus 2, right? Now from this place, okay, now since I know that there's no function in the Laplace table that can give me directly this, so I now use what? Partial fraction. So I set this 9s minus 8 divided by s open bracket s minus what? 2 to be equals to, so it will be a over s will take that, then plus b over what? S minus 2. Hope I'm communicating. Alright, so alright, sorry. So from this place, I can have what? I can find the LCM. So LCM will be s into s minus 2, right? How many s will you see in s? That's s minus 2, right? So you have a into s minus 2 plus s minus 2 in s minus 2, you have s plus b s. So everything equals to 9s minus 8 over s into s minus 2. So this cancel this, right? Because they are equal sign. So you have 9s minus 8, everything equals to a into s minus 2 plus bs. Now from this place, you open the brackets, you have 9s minus 8, everything equals to a times s, you have as minus 2a plus bs, right? So those one are having s, just equate them. A is having s, you have a, plus b is also having s, you have b. Everything equals to 9 is also having s, you have 9. Equation 1. Then those one that are not having s, you have minus 2a plus b plus minus 2a only. Minus 2a equals to minus 8. Right? So just divide both sides by what? By minus 2 to get your a. So therefore a will be equals to minus 8 over minus 2. So a will be equals to what? 4. Then therefore your b will be equals to, from equation 1, b can be equals to 9 minus a. So which is what? 9 minus what? 4, which is what? 5. So therefore b equals to 5. Now go back to your expression. So the Laplace, so f of t now be equals to the Laplace inverse of what? Of 9s minus 8 over s into s minus 2 is same thing as the Laplace inverse of a over s plus b over s minus 2, right? So now which is equals to Laplace inverse of, so what's our a? A is what? What do you get for a? 4, right? 4 over s plus what's our b? 5 over s minus 2. Alright, so from this place I'm going to have lastly my f of t to be equals to, so I can split the Laplace to be Laplace of 4 over s plus Laplace of what? 5 over s minus 2. So now bring out the 4. So you have 4 Laplace inverse of 1 over s plus 5 Laplace inverse of what? 1 over s minus 2. So now what is Laplace inverse of 1 over s? 1, right? 1. So plus 5. So what will be the Laplace inverse of s minus 2? That will be exponential 2t. So exponential 2t. So therefore final answer will be 4 plus 5 exponential 2t. That's the Laplace. So more questions in the next video.